Ever wondered how to make patterns for doors? Well, I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it using masking tape. So the first thing you have to do is get your Barbie doll and put masking tape around the Barbie. So I'm making this pattern for the top bodice. I'll show you how to make for a skirt in my other tutorial, so make sure you subscribe. So after putting the masking tape, I'll get my marker and draw out my desired pattern. So this is a sweetheart neckline off shoulder bustier. Then I'm going to draw my side seams. So this is going to be the side seams. Then on the back, this is my center back where I'm going to put my zipper or whatever opening you want. Then this is the other side seam. Then this is the front where there's going to be a sweetheart neckline like I said. Then I'm going to have princess bustier dots just over the bust. I'm going to draw a princess bustier dot. So this is the pattern. Then the next thing I'm going to do is get my pair of scissors and cut from the center back. It's easier for me to start from the center back, so I'm just going to cut it out as you can see me do. Then I'll remove everything from this Barbie. Then I'll start cutting around where I was drawing my pattern. So this is the center side seams, this is the bustier princess seam, princess dot, this is the other princess dot. Then I'm going to transfer this to my pattern paper. So I'm just going to place this onto my pattern paper as you can see. Then I'm going to trace them out on my pattern. Then remember to add seam allowance either on the pattern or on your fabric when sewing the actual clothes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.